Okay, so I'm just going to be covering the trade that I took today live in my free live trade in Discord. So first thing I was looking for was an open high to take out this 4-hour fair value gap here, and to sweep out this high here. Now as you can see, this both happened. I was looking for a 9:30 open high. So what do we have right here? We have our 9:30 candle. We opened high, tapped into the 4-hour fair value gap, swept liquidity. We also created a bearish SMT with this high and the 4-hour fair value gap, meaning ES did not tap into either of these. So that is a very bearish sign for the market. So we've got all my confluences here matching up: 4-hour fair value gap, sweep of liquidity, bearish SMT inside the 4-hour fair value gap. Now with all of that out the way, I was looking for a very simple entry point, which was just an inversion to the downside. Highest time frame inversion was the 1 minute. So as you can see here, we have a 1 minute fair value gap right there. Stop loss was above this recent swing high, taking out the liquidity. Now the one thing that I didn't like about this trade was the recent 2 minute devil's mark that was created. But that just shows us that a lot of selling pressure was then getting influenced into the market. So I had my stop loss above this recent swing high, entered on the candle closure, inversing this bullish fair value gap, turning into a bearish entry point. Now there weren't many good targets down here. I was initially at the beginning of the day looking to take out this, which is London session low, and all of this low resistance liquidity resting below here. However, it being a Monday, I wasn't expecting too much volume, so I was just looking to catch the low of the recent swing range, which was this low right here. So as you can see, this was my target. Pulling this down, full TP was hit. Everybody in the Discord made money today copying this trade in my free live trade in Discord. One thing that I love about this trade, notice how once this bullish PD array got disrespected, every bearish PD array that was created then started getting respected. So that just shows you that bearish order flow is now in control. As you can see, you would have had another entry point here, another entry point here, and another entry point here off each reversal back. After each retracement, we also broke structure, continuing the trend lower many times, which was absolutely perfect. I was calling out these breaks in my Discord as well. And this was just an absolutely perfect A+ trade to the downside, taking out my draw on liquidity, and then as you can see, the market just reversed after that. Now the only thing that I didn't like about this trade, apart from this devil's mark up here, this candle with no top wick, was this was my target, and as you can see, ES came to take out this target way before NQ did. So seeing that, I was trailing my stop loss to every recent swing high to secure my profits. I also trimmed one contract at the consequent encouragement of this 5-minute fair value gap. So one contract got trimmed off here, and then I left a runner down to this low. Now, talking about that SMT, the SMT was created around here. So I was trailing my stop loss, and I ended up getting stopped out in profit, which I was very happy about. It was also 10 AM news was coming out right here, which did push us down to the downside, but I don't like trading whilst news is in the market, so I was trailing my stop loss very tight. As you can see, this was an absolutely A+ trade. I ended up getting stopped out in profit around here for a $300 win. I went quite light size due to it being 8 minutes into market open, and we did have news at 10 AM, so I did go a little bit lighter size on this. So I took this live in my free live trade in Discord, which will be linked below this video. I'm just going to be explaining all the resources in my live trade in Discord. So first of all, I'm just going to go over the trades that were taken today. So this is the trade that I've just explained. This was my one contract trim, and I got stopped out in profit just around here. Great trade in my opinion. Here's one of the students that took my trade today. They made 486 on their demo account. Just as you can see, price just fell straight to the downside after they took this. Here was another person that took my trade today. They made $634. So this Discord has a lot of resources. These are all free resources. We have my daily bias, where I give daily bias videos explaining where I think the draw on liquidity will be today. We have the daily news, where I post for people what the news is going to be today. My trade analysis, I haven't filled this in yet, but this is where I'm going to be explaining all the confluences for my trade. And we have our trading terms for the new beginners to trading, so they can study these if they don't understand all the abbreviations. We have my PDF courses, which are coming out soon, and my normal courses, they are also coming out soon. My YouTube playlists, and my next videos coming soon. And then we have some of the models that I have created. If you want to check these out and read all the analysis that has been put inside it, feel free to do so. This is all free resources, so I take advantage of this whilst you can. There will be a lot more models added to this, but for now this is all we've got. So I also have a psychology tab right here, where I'm going to be doing a lot of psychology work, as I want people to understand how important psychology is for day trading. Here is my schedule, so I'm going to be changing this to 9:15 Eastern time. I think 9 AM is too early to be going live. There's just a 30-minute wait till the market opens, and it just gets a little bit boring. So I'm going to be starting these at 9:15 AM Eastern time every single day. These are free live trading sessions. Each day I will be ending around 11 AM due to the market just dying out of volume around then. That's just my rules. I stopped trading around them. But yeah, so this is the live trading channel. Got our disclaimer here. This is where I take the live trades every single day. Feel free to join this. This will be linked in the description below. And yeah. Okay, so that is going to be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was a great A+ trade. Make sure to join my free live trading Discord if you want to catch trades like this every single day with other people in my community. But yeah, that's going to be all for this video.